Stripping screws, burning out motors, and waiting on dead batteries can destroy a project timeline and ruin your profit margins. Finding the right cordless drill machine for 2026 demands looking past the marketing hype and directly examining motor efficiency, torque output, and thermal management. Today, we run diagnostics on 7 top-tier platforms to find out which ones actually deliver under load. We will be evaluating the Fadakwalt 12 volts, Dekopro 20 volts, Comoware 20 volts, Avid Power 20 volts, DEWALT 20 volts Max XR, Milwaukee M18 Fuel SDS Plus, and DEWALT 20 volts Max Compact. Stick around for our number 1 pick, which balances contractor-grade reliability with an incredibly aggressive torque profile. Before dropping capital on a new platform, consider 3 technical factors. First, evaluate the motor topology. Brushless motors offer up to 75% more runtime and better thermal efficiency than brushed counterparts under heavy loads. Second, inspect the chuck material. A half-inch all-metal ratcheting chuck minimizes bit walk and slip compared to plastic variants. Third, battery amp-hour ratings dictate runtime. A 1.5 amp-hour pack is fine for light cabinetry, but you need 5 amp-hours or more for sustained masonry work to get the most out of your cordless drill. Coming in at number 7, the Fadakwalt 12 volts power drill set earns the classification of best for light duty. The primary engineering advantage here is the ultra-compact form factor. Generating 180 inch-pounds of maximum torque at 650 RPM, this unit relies on a 1.3 amp-hour lithium battery. In practical application, the compact housing allows for maneuvering inside tight mechanical spaces or narrow cabinetry where a standard 20-volt chassis simply will not fit. The 21+1 clutch settings offer adequate mechanical control to prevent over-torquing delicate fasteners. The limitation is inherent to its 12-volt architecture. Pushing this motor through dense hardwoods or driving heavy lag bolts will cause the system to stall. If you restrict deployment to basic flat pack assembly and drywall anchors, it serves as a highly maneuverable secondary tool. At number 6 is the Dekopro 20 volt cordless drill, designated Best Lightweight 20 volt. This drill bridges the gap between 12-volt maneuverability and 20-volt output. Weighing a highly balanced 2.5 pounds, it features a 2-speed transmission peaking at 350 RPM. The power delivery is surprisingly linear, making it effective for sustained pilot hole drilling and hardware installation without inducing operator fatigue. The 1.5 amp-hour battery recharges via a direct plug rather than a bulky docking station, optimizing bench space. On the downside, the internal gearing and chuck housing lack the durability required for daily commercial job site abuse. For a residential technician needing a step up in voltage without the added mass, the Dekopro provides a highly efficient power-to-weight ratio. You can check the exact specifications and current availability for these models using the links in the description. Number 5 is the Comoware 20 volts cordless drill, recognized as the best starter kit. This unit outputs 266 inch-pounds of torque through a 2-speed gearbox, maxing out at 300 RPM. What makes this package viable is the immediate utility. The 3/8 inch metal chuck provides solid gripping strength, and the variable speed trigger response is well calibrated for an entry-level motor. The 1500 mAh battery charges fully in exactly 60 minutes, keeping operational downtime minimal. The drawback lies in long-term reliability when pushed past its intended design parameters. Extended high-torque applications can cause rapid thermal buildup and battery drain. Still, for comprehensive home repair deployment, the onboard LED and flexible hex shaft attachment make it a highly functional all-in-one package out of the box. Taking the number 4 spot is the Avid Power 20 volts cordless drill set, our pick for best value for home DIY. This tool delivers a verified 280 inch-pounds of torque and operates at 550 RPM. The engineering focus here is on precise fastening rather than aggressive material removal. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, the rubberized overmold chassis dampens vibration effectively during repetitive tasks. The real-time battery level indicator is a critical feature often missing on entry-level platforms, ensuring you don't start a fastener you can't finish. Be aware that the motor architecture is strictly rated for wood, drywall, and light sheet metal. Attempting to bore into masonry will overload the system. As long as you respect its operational limits, the Avid Power delivers incredibly consistent fastening control. Entering the professional tier at number 3 is the DEWALT 20 volts Max XR cordless hammer drill, model DCD996B. This is the best brushless hammer drill on the list. The powertrain on this unit is exceptional, utilizing a high-efficiency brushless motor that extends runtime by up to 75% over legacy brush models. It features a 3-speed transmission capable of 800 RPM paired with a heavy-duty 1/2-inch nitrocarburized metal chuck with carbide inserts. This ensures 0-bit slippage under massive axial loads. The 3-mode LED base light is exceptionally bright, practically eliminating the need for secondary task lighting. The primary trade-off is the sheer mass of the tool, and the immense instantaneous torque can wrench your wrist if you fail to utilize the included 360-degree side handle. For contractors requiring relentless power and thermal stability through concrete and steel, this XR series drill is an absolute necessity. For detailed load ratings and current pricing, check the description below. At number 2 is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18 volts 1-inch SDS Plus rotary hammer, unequivocally the best heavy-duty option. When you move into structural concrete, standard hammer drills fail. You need the pneumatic-style impact mechanism of an SDS Plus. Delivering 2 foot-pounds of impact energy at 330 RPM, this brushless rotary hammer easily cores through brick and cinder block. Milwaukee integrated an auto-stop control system that immediately cuts power during a bind-up, preventing violent kickback and saving your wrists. The vibration isolation is superior to previous generations, significantly reducing user fatigue. The downside is that this high-draw tool drains standard batteries rapidly. You must pair it with high-output 5 amp-hour packs or higher to maintain operational efficiency. And its bulky frame makes standard tool belt carry impractical. If your daily operations involve setting concrete anchors, this M18 Fuel platform is the industry standard. Taking the number 1 spot as the best overall cordless drill machine of 2026 is the DEWALT 20 volts Max Compact Drill Driver, model DCD771C2. This drill perfectly balances prosumer performance with highly accessible ergonomics. The high-performance motor delivers a verified 300 unit watts out, channeled through a 2-speed transmission maxing at 500 RPM. Weighing 3.64 pounds, the power-to-weight ratio allows for driving 3-inch decking screws back-to-back without the motor bogging down or suffering from thermal throttling. The kit includes 2 1.3 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, meaning 0 downtime if you cycle them correctly on the charger. The one mechanical flaw is the single-sleeve plastic chuck. Under heavy reverse torque, it can occasionally back off and drop the bit. However, considering the internal build quality, exceptional heat management, and relentless torque output, this DEWALT platform offers unparalleled reliability for both dedicated technicians and serious homeowners. To recap, the DEWALT 20 volts Max Compact takes the top spot by delivering consistent unit watts out and flawless battery cycling, proving that proven motor geometry is what matters most. However, depending on your budget and how you plan to use it, the Milwaukee SDS ranked 2nd and the lightweight Avid Power ranked 4th are also perfectly viable options. Detailed specifications, the latest prices, and links to actual customer reviews for all products are posted in the description box. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.